Let's be real. The hardest part about starting or growing an online business isn't getting motivated. You want it, you're ready for it. The real problem is knowing exactly what to sell, who to sell it to, and how to actually make money without wasting months or years trying to figure it out. And right now, there is a hidden corner of the online world that is quietly exploding. From Fortune 500 companies all the way down to businesses on your local high street, and hardly no one is teaching beginners like you how to tap into this and profit from it. Now, if you've been trying to make money online, you've probably experienced this situation. Buying course after course, collecting and hoarding information, trying every new trend that comes along, only to feel like you're always almost there, but never actually seeing the money come in. It's frustrating, it's exhausting, and it can make you wonder if you're even cut out for any of this, right? But listen, it's not your fault. You have simply been given the wrong path or no path at all, because here's the truth. Entire industries are absolutely transforming right now. And inside those industries are specific services that are growing like crazy. Services that businesses already want, they already pay for, and will continue to need month after month, year after year. Now, this hidden segment is projected to more than double in the next 5 years. And the money is already flowing in thick and fast. But no one is showing beginners how to claim their slice of the pie. That is what makes this such a huge opportunity for you right now. Hi, by the way, my name's Dean Holland, and together with my business partner, Craig Crawford, we've sold over $20 million worth of products on the internet. Everything from ebooks to video courses, physical books, membership sites, coaching and mentorship programs, even live events, software, and even physical e-commerce products. Over the last 16 plus years, we have done it all. And in that time, here's what we've learned that I'm going to tell you right now. One of, if not the single best type of products that you can sell is a service that people need, because when people need a service, they do not hesitate to pay for it, and they do not stop paying for it. It's just like paying for your mobile phone bill or your electricity or your internet. You need it, so you keep paying for it. And the best people to sell a service to, that's existing business owners. Why? Because an existing business owner already understands investing in their business. And they also have the means to invest in their business. And they are actively looking constantly for ways to get better results. So if you have the best type of product, a service, sold to the best type of customer, a business owner, you have the foundation for a business that can make a lot of money. And that is why we created the Secret Profit Agency Formula. It's a complete beginner-friendly system that shows you how to start a simple, highly profitable agency, providing a valuable service to businesses that already want and need what you have to offer. Now, when most people hear the word agency, they think about needing years of experience or advanced skills or even a team of people. But thanks to the evolution of AI, automation, and done-for-you fulfillment, that's no longer the case. You see, we've designed this formula to level the playing field so even the greenest beginner can deliver in-demand services like a professional from day one. You don't need to know how to code, how to design or build websites, and you do not need to spend years learning marketing or sales. As long as you follow our proven blueprint, use the AI tools and resources we provide you with, and let the system do the heavy lifting, you can get results. No creating products, no complicated tech, and no second guessing what to do. We have combined the power of AI with automation and done-for-you resources so you can look like a pro from day one out the gate, even if this is your very first client or rodeo. This is about giving you a proven lane to run in and the exact steps to take. Inside, you're going to discover things like the shortcut method to find buyers who are already looking for what you will offer. You'll get done-for-you materials that instantly make you a professional, even if this is your first sale. We're including scripts, checklists, and templates so you always know what to say, what to send, what to do to get the sales, and a simply daily process that takes just minutes to run, perfect alongside your busy job, business, or lifestyle. We'll give you all the guidance and indeed the AI tools and automation so your service is delivered seamlessly without you having to do all of the heavy lifting. This is not about learning endlessly. This is about implementing quickly and getting results. So imagine this. Just days from now, you will have gone through this, and aim to land your very first client. Within weeks, you can be pocketing recurring income with money coming in, not just going out for a service that businesses will keep paying for month after month. And for the first time, you can feel confident, proud, and in control of your business. You see, we have helped thousands of people just like you, from total beginners who never thought they could sell anything, to experienced marketers who just wanted a proven plug-and-play shortcut to more clients, more sales, and more recurring income. And now we're doing it again with you. But because of the personal support and done-for-you resources included, we're only taking a limited number of people through this process. So if you are ready for success, now is the time to act before it's too late. Go ahead and click the button below on this page, join us today, and let's get you up and running with your very own secret profit agency. All you have to do is take that first step, because this is your moment. This is your shortcut to success. And this is your chance to finally stop spinning your wheels and finally start seeing real results. So go ahead and click below and let us help you make it happen.
If you buy through my link in the description, I'll give you my free bonus worth $747. This bonus can help you start earning $10K per month or even more. After you purchase, just take a screenshot of your receipt and send it to me on Instagram. Once I get it, I'll send your bonus immediately.